Harrower offers 7 reasons journalists should use social media. First, it's where your audience is. You might not pick up a printed newspaper every day, but you probably checked Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other number of social media platforms at least once today. If you are delivering the news, deliver it to where your audience is. It's an easy, effective way to cover breaking news. Let's use the example of the star football player being injured during practice from our textbook. Now, you don't know much, just that quarterback Pierce Deere has been rushed to the hospital. You can fill in the details later, but that's breaking news, and that means you need to get it out quickly. Once you've gathered more information and written your initial blog post about Deere's injury, you can use Twitter to link to your publication website, where your readers can get a fuller version of the story than the 140 characters. Social media also extends the shelf life of the stories you produce. People can come across your social media post at any time and click on the story link, getting them the information they want. Now let's assume Deere recovers and is drafted by a big college team the next year. You can then reshare the full story of his heartbreaking injury later to help get even more views. Moving to reason number 5. Social media helps engage with your readers. While print journalism has always had the letter to the editor, how many people have ever actually written one? And if you had a question about a story, a letter to the editor wouldn't really help you out. With social media, your readers can ask a question and have it answered, sometimes within minutes. It's a two-way conversation. Social media can improve your reporting. As I already said, social media can help put you in touch with more and better sources. And finally, it will improve your writing. There's nothing like Twitter to teach the art of tight writing. Well, there's obviously some exceptions. If you can't fit your lead in a tweet, then it's probably too long. If nothing else, constructing a tweet helps you get to the so what of your story, to convince readers to take the time to learn more. But with great power comes great responsibility. Some news outlets share their social media passwords with reporters, and if that happens, you need to know that you can generally relax your journalistic style in social media, but never your standards. Fact check everything, just as you would for a print story, before you hit send. Don't publish vague rumors or retweet things that may or may not be true. You want to know your newsroom policies. Some news organizations want you to tweet the minute something happens. Others want you to wait until there's something online to link to. Now, different organizations also have rules regarding whether you can friend or follow sources, how to correct mistakes, and more. Here are links to 2 social media policies if you're interested, from NPR and the Associated Press. I encourage you to click on both links. Finally, engage with your readers, but keep conversations calm and civil. Now, if you're doing a good job as a journalist, you're bound to make someone angry with your reporting. Don't get into long public fights with a reader that may make both you and your news outlet look bad.